like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will post daily videos of new incoming inventory every day. We have 50 to 70 vehicles come in every week. All kinds of types of insurance losses, freshwater floods, collision damage. We got cars for all kinds of people, all makes and models, work trucks, SUVs, crossovers, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Toyota Highlander XLE. Has collision damage to the left front. The vehicle does run and drive. It is an all-wheel drive. This is all the damage here. Left 3/4 nose. The hood looks okay. You need a headlight. You need a left fender. You need a bumper assembly, bumper reinforcement. Right headlight looks good. Right fender looks good. Doors back. Looks pretty clean. This vehicle just rolled off the truck. Let's take a look inside. Got the sunroof, leather interior. It's got rear shades. Leather interior. So you got one forward bag that's out, you have a knee bag that's out, and that's it. All the curtain bags are good. Good sign. The seat belts are locked. You need to replace the seat belts. See if we can open the hood. Let's see. Where's the hood unlock? Here it goes. Oh, that worked. There we go. All right. Now you can see the apron is damaged. Radiator support. But engine sitting in place, it didn't move. You need a radiator support. The cooling looks like it may be good. It's pushed back, but I don't think it's broken because the reservoir is full. Anyway, this looks like a nice builder. Take some pictures, put it on our website. If you're interested, give us a call. Thanks for watching.